Okay, here's part 2 of my attempt at replacing the switch on the Makita drill. And I got the cover off. I carefully put the screws in the little container here in this little old cardboard thing I'm using as a temporary work surface. The next thing I did was I carefully mapped out all of the lines. As you can see, most of the wires are black and white. There's a purple and an orange, and I wish they were different colors, but they're not. And so what I did, I drew, this video will help in case I get messed up. I'll be able to take a look and double check where everything goes. But I also wrote down on the cardboard a little schematic for myself, just in case I forget where a wire goes. It shouldn't be that complicated. The orange, and there's two on the opposite side of this thing. I don't know if you can see it very well or not, but there's a purple here and a black here. So, and they go up together there into the windings of the electric motor. And here's the switch that, like I said, I bought it off of eBay. You'll just have to search for the model number of your drill if you're replacing it. But this says Eaton. It looks like it's made in the USA, so that's very nice. The only thing I have no idea, I'll have to figure out, is how the connections are made. They look like little tangs there, and hopefully they're just little blade and excuse me, blade and socket or blade and bayonet type things that I'll be able to. I'll get some. I've got some hemostat kind of devices that'll be handy to wiggle the wires off. So I'll be very careful when I do that. And hopefully it'll be just a matter of replacing wire by wire and putting it back together, and it should work. So I didn't say this at the beginning. It is a Makita model 6404 drill. I did mention it's about 30 years old, and it's been a great drill. Like I said, you can see the inside of it's a little dirty. I'll clean it off before I put it back together, but it's been a fantastic variable speed reversible drill, and it has earned its keep and then some. So I hope this will give it a little extended life. Thanks again for watching. Fingers crossed that this is the right solution.